Okay, so I saw this girl on Instagram. She took her perfectly white sheets, perfectly white towels, and she dipped it in her tub of perfectly clean water, and almost instantly the water started to turn brown. I was so intrigued. She said it was this thing called laundry stripping. I had never heard of laundry stripping before. So I went down this rabbit hole of research and I found out that it was a very popular TikTok trend. I was like, oh my God, is this going to destroy my clothes? Some people were saying, oh no, it doesn't really work. It's a chemical reaction. Some people said so many things, but I was like, if I'm going to try it with my clothes, I need to make sure that it works and it's not going to destroy my clothes. So I went down that rabbit hole of research and I am about to share my findings with you. Excuse me while I turn on my professor look. Zoom in. Stop. Dramatic. Oh my God. My husband's glasses. Okay. So laundry stripping uses a few ingredients, and I wanted to know, how do these ingredients, by the way, do you like my look? How do these ingredients react together, and why does it actually work? Does it actually help the fabric? Here's what I found, and I will link where, the source in the description box below. So check the description box for links to everything. It says for the water softener, because some recipes use water softener, some recipes don't. For the water softener, the mixture of borax and washing soda react to form precipitated calcium and magnesium. I hope I haven't lost you there. Which have a potential of being trapped in the fibers of the fabric. The water softener acts to remove those trapped minerals from the fabric. So basically, borax and washing soda, which work together for laundry stripping, come together to create this precipitated calcium and magnesium, but they have the potential of being trapped in the fabric. So what the water softener does is loosen that. So you would use a water softener, especially like if you live in a hard water area like I do. The second one is the washing soda and borax. Does this work? Why does it work? I will show you my findings. So, I'm sure this looks good on me. Okay. So, washing soda's pH is 11 and borax pH is 9.5. Now, according to the article, it creates a more caustic or alkaline solution that helps loosen or dissolve waste or soap scum. So borax and washing soda, the mixture will help you to dissolve the waste on fabric and soap scum. Let's move right down to washing detergent. Okay, move back now. Okay. Washing detergent obviously has surfactants in soap that binds to the soils on your clothes and on one end and water on the other, allowing them to lift away the icky things that are trapped. So basically, from my findings, each ingredient works perfectly to remove soap scum, hard water, which are the things that you want to remove with the laundry stripping process anyway. Okay, so now that we know, time to take that off. Now that we know that laundry stripping is actually beneficial for your clothes, we need to know what it isn't. It isn't a bleaching process. So if you're looking to bleach your clothes, this is not the process for you. It's quite intense on your clothes, so you only want to do it. For me, personally, I would not do it to my actual clothes. I could do it to my workout clothes, but I would only do it to my sheets, my white bed sheets, and my white towels as well, because it would help to lift the soap scum. Sometimes when you use a lot of detergent or you use a lot of fabric softener, those things can actually coat your fabric. Or if you live in a hard water area like I do, you can have deposits on your clothes. So those things actually, stay over your clothes, for a long time, and laundry stripping helps to get them out. So it's time to strip. Not that kind of strip. Let's laundry strip. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is use extremely hot water, the hottest water that comes out of your tap, and then you use, your water softener, your washing soda, and your borax. For me, I only had a borax substitute, which is good as well. So the proper measurements are down in the description box below. Just check for links and measurements in the description box. But the original measurement is a quarter cup, but in this case, I kind of went overboard. I used half cup. So I used a half cup of washing soda, I used a half cup of borax, and then I used one full cup of detergent, and I used one full cup of the Calgon water softener. So you can see me sprinkling it all over the tub, and the water looks kind of blue because that's actually how it looked in real life. And then the next thing you want to do after you put all of the stuff in it is to mix it. Obviously, the water was way too hot for me to put my hands in. And obviously, I don't even want to put my actual hands in there. So I used my broom, the end of my broom. You can use whatever you like, a stick, whatever you have on hand, and then just mix really thoroughly. Now I'm putting in some freshly washed damp towels. You can use either freshly washed dry clothes or damp clothes. So I'm using damp towels that, as you can see, they look kind of brown. They don't have that whiteness. And I know that this is not a bleaching process, but I wanted to see how well this bleaching, this laundry strip or whatever would work on it. So here I am just pushing it down with the end of my broom again and making sure that the entire clothing, all the clothing articles are fully immersed in the water. Unfortunately, I didn't have any dramatic reaction like it turning brown or anything. Maybe that's because I already have pretty decent laundry practices, but you can see the water change just a little bit, but not as dramatic as some of the TikTok videos I've seen. So I put it there for 4 hours. Originally, you're supposed to put it for about 4 to 5 hours, and you want to agitate it and mix it together like this, the way I'm doing every single hour. But I did mine overnight because I was too tired. It's such a lengthy process, and I'm, signaling on the screen to show you how many hours it was at this point. I kind of left it in there, and by hour 4, I was already tired, so I kind of left it overnight. By the next morning, I agitated it a little bit. It seemed that the brown stuff had settled. So I wore some gloves because I just didn't want to put my hand in the mucky water. And then I squeezed out as much as I could. And then I threw it in the washing machine, just on a rinse cycle. No washing, just rinsing. You want to rinse. For me personally, I didn't see much of a physical difference. My husband said he saw a big difference. I personally didn't see a big difference. It didn't whiten my clothes in any way, but I enjoyed doing this process, fulfilling my TikTok dreams and just doing it. I hope you try it. I hope you like it, and let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later.